The Samsung Galaxy A56 5G is here, and it's making waves with its stunning design, powerful performance, and record-breaking battery life. If you're looking for a phone that blends premium features with long-lasting endurance, this might just be your best pick. A brilliant display that shines in any light. At the heart of the A56 is a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD+ resolution, delivering vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and sharp details. With a peak brightness of 1900 nits, you'll have no trouble using it even under direct sunlight. At just 7.4 mm thin, it's not only sleek but also comfortable to hold. The flush camera design gives it a clean and refined look, making it feel even more premium. Performance that leaves its predecessors behind. Powering the A56 is the Exynos 1580 chipset, making it 37% faster than its predecessor. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running heavy apps, this phone keeps up effortlessly. Apps load instantly, animations are smoother, and overall performance is buttery smooth. The camera system that elevates your photography. Samsung has packed the A56 with a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro camera, giving you versatility for any shot. The enhanced AI processing improves low-light photography, delivering brighter and more detailed images while also making zoom transitions smoother. Battery King, the shocking test results. Now, let's talk about the real game changer, battery life. The 5000 mAh battery inside the A56 isn't just big, it's optimized to outlast every other phone in its category. But don't just take my word for it. A real-world battery test compared the A56 with other Samsung A-series models under identical conditions. The results? Nothing short of shocking. Battery test results: same brightness, Wi-Fi only, no SIM, same usage pattern. Galaxy A34, 9 hours 21 minutes, first to die. Galaxy A54, 9 hours 27 minutes. Galaxy A35, 10 hours 5 minutes. Galaxy A36, 10 hours 20 minutes. Galaxy A55, 10 hours 32 minutes. Galaxy A56, 11 hours 15 minutes winner. That's right, the Galaxy A56 5G lasted over 11 hours, proving its superior battery efficiency. Since all these phones have the same 5000 mAh battery, the difference comes down to software optimizations, chipset efficiency, and display power management. And if that wasn't enough, the A56 supports 45W fast charging, getting you to 65% in just 30 minutes and a full charge in around 68 minutes. That means less time plugged in and more time enjoying your phone. Software support that goes the distance. Running on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7.0, the A56 offers a refreshed interface with more customization options than ever. But here's the best part. Samsung has promised 6 major OS updates and 6 years of security patches, making this one of the most future-proof mid-range phones available today. Colors and final thoughts. The Galaxy A56 5G comes in graphite gray, light gray, olive, and pink, catering to different style preferences. Final verdict? The A56 5G is a mid-range champion, delivering flagship-like performance, exceptional battery life, and long-term software support, all in a sleek, modern design. If you're looking for a powerful, reliable smartphone that won't let you down, this is it. What do you think about these battery results? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.